Hey, what's up everyone? Are you looking to swap out your sink fixture, but you don't want to spend $1,000 doing it? Well, I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick, real easy. Step one for replacing your faucet is you gotta figure out what you're gonna go with. As you can see, we have our mirror right here, so we need to make sure that the neck is under 7 inches, all right? Also, the width, that's very important because this is already a pre-drilled vanity, so the holes are already there. These holes on center are 4 inches. You're gonna see that on the boxes when you're at the store. It's gonna tell you on the box what you need and what's in there. In this one, you just get the faucet, so you're gonna need to have your hookups. And down here, you have your feed. I can turn the feed on, because I had already turned it off. It feeds on when everything is parallel to each other. When it's perpendicular, when you twist it, that means no water is being fed to this faucet. Let's take this thing out. What I was doing is I was disconnecting the sink from down below. So you have your 2 feeds, your hot and your cold, and you have these nuts that hold the faucet in place so it's not wiggling all over the place. So if these were tight, this would be tight. I took them off and they sit like this. So when it's all put together, you have faucet, nut, countertop, then nut holding it in, then your feed, all right? Now that it's disconnected, and then this is what operates your drain. Ta-da, there it is. That's the faucet, it's out. All right, this is a public service announcement. Don't skip the plumber's tape, all right? This is Teflon tape, it's very inexpensive. I'm just gonna wrap it around these threads. Really easy to do. Taped up and ready for action. So, in they go. Before you tighten everything down, you wanna put in your stopper plug. Once this is rigid, it's not gonna wanna do anything. All right, that is in. They bring over your friend with the strongest grip. All right, that is good. That is in. Before I reconnect the drain pool, I'm going to hook up the cold water because the cold water is on the other side of the drain pool, so down underneath it would be cumbersome to try to have to work around it. So I'll do cold, then I'll do the drain pool, and then I'll do hot. There's gonna be a lot of different holes in there. I had it at the first time a little bit too high. I lowered it, and voila, look at that. All right, plugged, drained. Moment of truth. I'm gonna turn the water back on, and hopefully everything works. If we start seeing water squirting out from here, here, there, anywhere but here, then we have to stop, go back, and figure out what I did wrong. Cold, hot, and that's how you change your own faucet and save yourself a couple of bucks.